Hi you guys, it's day 24 and instead of a lot of jumping we are going to do rotated mountain climbers, and in the 10-second break we're doing 2 burpees. So let's just go over the rotated mountain climber. Coming down into the regular plank position, rotate from your hip and run the mountain climber up just like this. Then your 10-second break will come and you do 2 burpees, drop it down, jump up, do 2 of those and wait for the next beep to start the other side of the mountain climber. We're 3 today. Get ready, here, 2 burpees. 2 burpees and go. Wait for the beep, mountain climber, rotate and go. More seconds. 5, 2 burpees. Wait for the beep. Rotate. Surprise. 8. Super hot down here in the sun. 2 burpees. Mountain climber. 6. Woo. Burpees. And here's number 4. Mountain climber. Hey, what? Do the mountain climber. Rotate that hip. 5. Burpees. Halfway there. If you need breaks, you guys take breaks. Mountain climber. Rotate your hip. 6. Burpees. Mountain climber. Burpees. Mountain climber. Last round on the side. 6. Oh, my goodness. 2. Burpees. 1 more round of burpees. Mountain climber last round. Go. Stay strong. 15. 10. Come on. Hold those knees up. 6. 2. I'm such a loser. Oh, that's it. Good job, you guys. Come back for day 25 tomorrow. Woo. Great. Have a good day. Bye.